Most traders gets trapped right here. They don't even realize that this is called the kiss of death, and if you don't understand it, it is going to kill your trade and your trading journey. So hey guys, welcome back. This video is about KOD, also known as kiss of death from Romeo. So this took me a while to understand how this plays out, because it's not easy to spot on. If you're a beginner, you if you're a beginner you definitely need some patience, and at least you might have to spot on this 1,000 times to understand what is kiss of death to your own eyes. It's like you need to train your own eyes to see that happening in the charts. So this is for those kind of traders who are looking for, those second entries where you would have missed that entry, you would have gone out, you would have been with your family, celebrating, friends, whatever it is. So this is those kind of people where you miss the ideal, the perfect turtle soup, which is here. If you had missed this entry, the best entry on this candle, then that's when kiss of death comes into play. You wait for KOD to happen, and you wait for that normal setup. So this is the range. You guys know, I don't have to explain. This is the CRT candle range. This was an inside bar. This is where we got the soup. This was the third candle. This is where your best entry was. So let's say you missed that entry, and let's say you even missed this third candle entry. So where will you look for the next one? The next one is the kiss of death, which was over here. This is the soup we got. So this is the entry you should have focused. So let's dive down. Let's go to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. So this was the trade which I took. We had a perfect OB over here on the 1 hour, and this was my drawn liquidity. So to those people, to those beginners who can't hold the trade, see, look at this. You could see that you entered here. I had to wait at least few more days till my profit reached. It reached on Tuesday during London, and I took during Wednesday before. So it took me like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days almost, including weekend. If you're holding, on a weekend, look at this. You were in this chop, 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 and then comes here. This was the Friday candle. And you could see here we had a OB formed here on the Friday candle, but guess what? We had to wait for the candle to close, because it is evident that we need to soup above the Friday candle. So the Monday candle souped above, and as soon as it souped above during London, we had the perfect entry over here, which was this one. This was the 1 hour OB. You couldn't ask for a better entry than this 1 hour OB. This was the perfect kiss of death as soon as it closed below during London, and then during New York we got a wick above. That's when your entry should have been, till the drawn liquidity. And this candle was super fast. As you can see, it went down, 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 down. It kept going down, and that's it. It reached your drawn liquidity, which is here, and you're off. That's it. This is how simple it is. It might look very simple, but you need to definitely train your own eyes. You definitely need an X-ray vision to target these kind of setups, because ideally this is where you should have focused, but if you had missed it, this is where you would have focused. So if you're a beginner, I wouldn't suggest taking this kind of a kiss of death. If you're a beginner, focus on the third candle, which is this one. Your entry should have been on this one this week, and because that's the third candle, this is the third candle, this is a second candle. This is for advanced people. If you go into the lower time frames, you know what I am talking about. In this entry would have been somewhere here, you would have got a good RR. And as Romeo says, you focus only on the third candle. Try to, be an expert on the third candle. That's when you know how to read second candle. That's exactly what Romeo is trying to say. You need to focus on the third candle, then you get to know what's happening on the second candle, because once second candle closes, that's when you know, okay, the third candle has been activated for a entry. And to those of people who have missed the third candle, then here it is, the kiss of death. This is where you enter on your lower time frames. I would definitely go till the 15 minutes for a better RR over here as well, but I wouldn't suggest you guys to do that, because 1 hour is the perfect time to look for, because you're on the daily chart over here. So yeah, so that's my take on kiss of death. It is looking simple, but it is not. You got to train your eyes to spot these kind of setups. This entry is not easy if you're a beginner. So watch this video, guys. Watch this video how many times you can. Watch it once, watch it twice, watch it even 10 times till you understand what's happening, because it's not easy. I mean, I've been there. Watching it once, it's not happening. I mean, there are people who watch it just in one shot and they understand, but not all humans are the same. Some people take time, some people are very late, and some people are quick in understanding and capturing what's happening in the charts. So everybody's built different. So you take your own time, watch it multiple times until you get it. And then most important, go back test this in your charts. Just don't watch the videos or watch my videos and quickly come into conclusion saying, okay, you understood it. No, you didn't understand it. You definitely need to go watch it in your charts happening in your own. So go back test it. Go back test for the last 6 months. Mark the daily levels and see how the kiss of death is happening. I'm sure you can spot on. So watch at least thousands of examples to master this kind of entry. So yeah, guys, that's my take on kiss of death. So thanks for watching. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.